Class 10 children, today I will discuss a very important question from similar triangle. This question is little different from all the questions. So let us begin. So my question is, in the figure ABC is a right angled triangle with angle BAC equal to 90 degree. So you have to see here triangle ABC, that means the whole triangle is the right angle triangle and 90 degree is at A, whereas there is no symbol here, but in my solution I have given 90 degree symbol at A, as because BAC means angle A. So BAC. And now question number 1 is, prove that triangle ADB is similar to triangle CDA. ADB, this triangle is similar to triangle CDA. That means we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. So you can say now there are three triangles in total. This one, and everything, the whole triangle ABC. So there are three triangles as a whole, and this is smaller one and this one. So there are three triangles. So you have to prove these two triangles are similar. If BD is 18 centimeter, CD is 8 centimeter, that I have mentioned here. BD is 18 and CD is 8 centimeter. Find AD. So AD is our question to find. Now find the ratio of the area of triangle ADB is to area of triangle CDA. So you have to find the area of triangles ratio. So you have to find the area and then find its ratio. So you have to prove also and find the ratio. So let us begin, children. Solution. In triangle, now different technical questions. So before I begin solution, I want to say you, if you try to prove that these two triangles are similar directly, then you all know to prove any triangle that they are similar, we have to find at least two angles between them equal. But in this two triangle, only one angle are equal to each other. As you can see, from this triangle angle D is 90, and from this triangle this part angle D, that means angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. But second angle, if you try to find if it is equal or not, then you will not find here. So that means only one angle you can prove that they are equal in between these two triangles. So very difficult to prove the second angle. So in that case, one technique is there. What we will do, we will take triangle ADB and we will compare it with triangle ABC. That means in first case 1, we will take triangle ABC and triangle ADB. In case 2, again this triangle ABC will be again visible in case 2 also, but the second triangle will be triangle CDA. So that means what we will do, this triangle we will try to compare with ABC, again this triangle will try to compare with ABC, and when we will compare with this both case 1 and case 2, from case 1 and case 2 we can finally prove that these two triangles are similar. So if we start directly, we cannot find any similarity between these two triangles. So let us start the technique, children. So in case 1, triangle ABC, that means ABC means everything, and triangle ADB means the smaller one, the down part. In these two triangle, angle BAC is equal to angle ADB. BAC, you know it is 90 degree, and angle ADB also is 90 degree. So in greater triangle angle A is 90, and in the smaller triangle this part angle D is 90. So it is given in the question. Angle ABC equal to angle ABD. Angle ABC, that means angle B of the greater triangle, and angle ABD means angle B again of the smaller triangle. So angle B is common in both the triangle, the greater triangle as well as the smaller triangle, angle B is common. So common angle, that means if we could prove that the two angles are equal between these two triangles, then we can say these two triangles are similar to each other. That is what we have been learning. Now in case 2, again angle ABC, the whole larger triangle will take, and smaller triangle CDA, the upper part we will take. So in these two triangles, angle BAC is equal to angle CDA. BAC, that means this angle A is 90 degree, and CDA means angle D at the above part. CDA, this D also is 90 degree. So both are 90 degree given in the question. And angle ACB is equal to angle ACD. ACB of the greater triangle and ACD of the smaller triangle. That means in both the triangles C is common. So that's why now we can say one is 90 degree, one is common angle. When two pair of angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDA. Now you can see from equation 1 and 2, you can see that triangle ADB also is similar to triangle ABC, and triangle CDA also is similar to triangle ABC. That means both the triangles are similar to ABC, same ABC. That means we can say these two triangles also are similar to each other. That means these two are not directly similar, but if this can be similar to this, and if this also can be similar to this, that means this both also are similar. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say triangle ADB is similar to triangle CDA. So that means we could not prove that these two triangles are similar directly, but when we compared with triangle ABC, then we had a connectivity, and that way now finally we could prove that these two triangles are similar. So question number 1 has been proved. So directly we are not able to prove, but indirectly we are able to prove. Now you have to find AD, and given part you know. So now when they are equal, we can use a proportional theorem. AD by CD, DB by DA, and AB by CA. That formula we have used here. And now as AD is not known to us, AD we have to find. AD is AD. CD is 8, DB is 18, and DA and AD are same. Here writing AD and writing DA are same. So that's why as it is AD, so here also I change the name as AD, not DA, AD. And this nothing given, same thing. Now we have to take these two pair. So now AD into AD will be AD square, 8 into 18. AD equal to root over 144. If you multiply this both, 144 root over. Root over why? Because whenever we remove square from the left side, we get root over on the right side. AD equal to 12 centimeters. So our second question answer AD also we got it. But here technical thing, DA and AD are same. So here I change the name as AD. Why? Because there is no DA in the question. It is AD. So DA and AD are same. Now area part. We have to find the ratio of area. So area of triangle ADB by area of triangle CDA equal to, in area formula we have to put the square of its side. AD square by CD square, because AD value just now we got 12, so 12 square, and CD is given, you know, in the question CD is 8, so 8 square, 144 by 64, because square you have to do. So when you just cancel with 8, we get 18 by 8, again cancelling by 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja, so 9 by 4, the ratio is 9:4. So very technical question, but very important, children. So thank you children for watching my video.